We got a real big surprise for you. You ready for this one?
What?
So we know that you're out of school right now.
Yeah.
You know what this is?
What?
It's an iPad. We have one more thing for you.
Don't make me cry again.
And that is, we have $500 that we want to give to you.
Oh my God. What are you guys trying to do to me?
Hi, my name is Richard with Voyager Home Health Care, and this week and all the other weeks coming up while the coronavirus is going on, we're giving back. We're looking for toilet paper, we're looking for hand sanitizer, soap, anything that people really need right now and they don't have. At Voyager, we help all kinds of patients and populations, but a big focus for us are children. These children have disabilities, some of these children have autism, a lot of these children are immune compromised. And so they can't get out right now, their parents can't get out right now, and that's really difficult. We've been waking up at 5 in the morning, going out, giant lines, all these people running around so we can get anything and help these kids.
Hi, I'm Ryan with Voyager Home Health. Today, the owner of Voyager Home Health, Richard, and I are going to be going out and helping families that have been affected by the virus that's going around. Not only did we get the necessary supplies for all of our families so that they can thrive during this trying time, but we also got each and every family an iPad or a Kindle Fire HD 10-inch so that their kids can get education and entertainment during this quarantine time.
On top of this, we're giving each of the families $500 because we don't know everything that they need, but they do, and we're going to take care of them. And this is going to be really cool. Voyager's really putting down a lot of money for the iPads, for the Kindles, for the food, for the toilet paper, and $500 to help them to get these families through this hard moment in time. Let's head inside and let's load up. Keep watching till the end because we're going downtown Colorado with my personal supply of toilet paper.
Alright guys, I'm really excited. We're going to our first house right now. They have no idea what we're bringing. They think we're just gonna bring maybe some hand wipes, some toilet paper, but little do they know, we actually got a couple extra surprises for them. So we're here to meet one of our patients. His name is Ryan. His caretakers are his mom, Jennifer, and Mark. And I'm just really looking forward to how we're gonna be able to bless this family.
We have a nice iPad, it's gonna be very cool, but we have to be careful. We have to have the mask and the gloves because he has pneumonia right now. Hey, hey!
Come on in.
We got some cool stuff for you. Look at this. Got some protein cookies, got some Cliff Bars.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
yeah.
infamous toilet
Toilet
paper.
paper. Hard to come by.
We're gonna put that on
That's
eBay.
fine.
Goodness.
So we have these for you. Of course, we have wet wipes, tissue paper. We got you some extra masks.
Nice.
Oh, mask.
Some soap, a few little treats and stuff like that. We got a real big surprise for you. You ready for this one?
So we know that you're out of school right now.
You know what this is? It's an iPad.
Wow.
Yeah, iPad Air. So you can go and learn when you're out of school, be a little entertained when the parents aren't watching.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. I'm 11. Gentlemen, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Wow. Yes.
Our 17-year-old daughter has been diagnosed with pneumonia.
Yeah.
She's not qualifying to be tested for COVID-19. We have a kid that we're worried about. Do I keep my daughter in a room for the next 14 days?
Yeah, of course.
Or can she join in the family?
Yeah,
Right? Because she doesn't have it and he's at a lower risk now.
yeah.
Please take care of our children and just thank you so much for all the help that you all do. We are beyond grateful and have so much gratitude to all of you. We've gone to the store and there's been no toilet paper anywhere.
So we have one more surprise for you.
Oh my, really?
We know it's hard. We know there's a lot of things going on. We thought one more thing might help. Is $500. So
Wow.
take care of the children. Anything that you guys need.
Thank
It's a
you.
rough time.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's
Wow.
our pleasure.
Wow. I'm speechless.
Okay. Enjoy. Got some Paw Patrol. Enjoy it. Makes you feel good. You know, we've been up early morning every single day. We've been out very late. We've been scoring around the whole town trying to find anything we can possibly get. Toilet paper, everything, and it's just tiring. I mean, we're just tired. It's a lot. We're also open during all of our normal hours. We're taking phone calls, and these are the moments that just make it all worth it. And I just have to say that we need your guys' help. We're helping the families today, but we want to keep on helping. We want to help multiple families. We have a GoFundMe page where the next cool thing, we're handing out these iPads. We think to ourselves, we have all these people all these other kids who don't have it. How fun would it be to have 100 iPads for 100 kids who are quarantined, immune compromised, have disabilities?
We're just now leaving Ryan's house, and we thought, we're gonna go there, we're gonna give them some stuff, and it's gonna be, it's gonna be great. They're gonna thank us. What we didn't expect was it touched Jennifer so much that she actually came out and thanked us again. And there was just tears all around. There's tears in her eyes, tears in our eyes. This has just been a magnificent day. I can't wait to do this some more.
Okay, so our next child, we have a 4-year-old, and she's a severely immunocompromised, so we have to be extremely careful. We have isolation gowns, gloves, and masks, and a lot of other really cool stuff for them that they need right now. But the big issue going on with this family and a lot of families in this scenario is when they're immune compromised, that doesn't just mean that the child's immune compromised. That means the parents are as well at this point, because they can't go out, because what if something happens to them, or if they get sick, then their child can get sick. So they're stuck in the house just as much. And what's really debilitating at that stage is they're running out of supplies, and who can even get it to them? And sometimes even when they get supplies, they can't just use it right away. They have to put it in their garage, and they have to keep it somewhere for a few days to try and have some of the bacteria die. They knew that we were gonna come over, give them some help, but they didn't know that we got a new Fire Kindle from Amazon. How's your pediatric name?
Oh my God. Richard, what do you want me to do here?
Huh? Hi. I got a bunch of stuff for you.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah, that's all good.
Thank you so much.
Perfect. I gotta go over some of the things.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Very hard.
Yep.
Got some cleaning stuff for you. Kill bacteria.
Yep. Great.
More cleaning. We gave you some brown personal masks.
Perfect.
It's not perfect, but it's what we got.
It's something. Yep.
Got some coloring books.
Oh,
Toys.
wonderful.
This was
Yes.
crazy hard to get. We got some hand sanitizer.
Oh, wow.
Just be careful with that.
Yes.
Gloves.
Awesome.
Coloring book.
Oh,
That'd be a nice little toy.
Should be so excited.
Got something else really special for you though. New Fire Kindle.
Oh my God.
It has all the kids' apps on there as
Oh
well.
wow.
Ready to
That's
go?
amazing. She made a thank you note
Oh,
for you guys.
that's awesome.
You can take to the office so
Yes.
everyone knows. We are so thankful. I mean, it takes a lot, and this
That's
is
beautiful.
helping us because I'm also a type 1 diabetic, so on top of her CF,
Oh,
which is
okay.
a lung disease,
Yeah.
this is so important for her to not catch this. So, and for me, I can't even risk going out either. So my husband's the one that's left to kind of trench the waters, and it's terrifying for him because,
Yes, every time he comes home.
she's an internal battle, and this is a continuous battle for her. And the fear that we have that is constant, it's not just now, but now is to a level of so much anxiety. I mean, it's like, as parents, we're just like, okay, well, what else can we do? We've gotten things so that she knows that we're trying to keep like a normal schedule, and so that she doesn't feel like anything's happening. Whereas my husband and I are like panicking in the background. It's like, no, we don't let her see that.
We thought what also might help you just a little bit is we have $500 for you as well.
Oh my goodness.
Anything you can do. Thank you, Emma.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. We love it. We love it. It's wonderful.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
This was an amazing experience. This family's going through a lot, and what we did helped them a little bit, but it's simply not enough. We did help them for 2 weeks when they're gonna need help for a long time with what's currently going on. We can't do this alone, so we need your guys' help. So please click on that link down below. We have a GoFundMe. 100% of this is going to the families that need it, and we wanna help as many families as we can so we can have some positive news, not negative news all the time.
Gets me ready for these next families. I'm excited.
Baby shark.
She's not.
Baby shark. Mommy shark.
You come bearing gifts.
Oh yeah.
We do.
You smell my dog's
Well, come on in.
Hey, we got some toys for you. Isaac, you like Paw Patrol?
Look at how cool.
You like Paw Patrol? You like that?
What do
You want to hold it?
He's like,
Oh, you want to see what else?
What'd you say?
Do you like drawing?
Yes, with a
apparently.
capital Y.
Do you like Baby Shark?
What do you say? Look at that. This is
See you next night.
amazing. I thought you were gonna bring over like a 4-pack of toilet paper.
Well,
Try to do as
This
much
is
as we
like
can.
Christmas.
We got another little surprise
I was
for
like,
you.
yeah, speaking of Christmas.
Oh, yeah?
We also got you an iPad.
No.
iPad there for you.
Nah.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
For you? Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Thank you. I can't hug you.
No,
Right. Hey, elbow. Thank you.
He's like, I can do the elbow.
Oh. Yes. Oh, our situation. We have Zicky here, and obviously he has Down. So I've isolated him for quite a while now because, as everybody probably knows, there's a lot of sticking the fingers in the mouth.
Yeah.
So again, I thought you were gonna bring just a roll of toilet paper and come bring all these incredible gifts and toys.
We have one more surprise for you.
Oh,
Are
jeez.
you ready for this? Aw.
I think.
So, we thought it's doing everything Voyager can. We have $500 for your family.
Oh,
It's for you. You and Isaac.
thank you so much.
It's like air hug.
Yeah.
Air hug.
Thank you.
Yes.
Don't touch. Don't touch.
Thanks, you guys.
What's that?
Give it. Give it. Bye, you guys.
Be blessed.
I'm gonna go home and go in and cry.
So that was honestly really touching with Isaac. Today we got to get closer. One of the kids who wasn't immune compromised, is still good to wear the gloves. So we're gonna go see Michael. Michael is a young adult, and I think he's really gonna love this. He really loves Paw Patrol. Not as young of a patient. Their family really needed some help, and they were out of meat. I mean, isn't it crazy to be in America and you don't have meat, you don't have protein for food? If we did like a V shape right now, we could be like, let's do a little V shape.
Oh, okay.
Then we're like the astronauts. Hey, you walk right here, Joe. We're like the astronauts, like going to save the day.
Oh my god.
Come on in.
Voyager's here.
Goodness.
How are you doing?
Making it. How are you?
Yeah, we're making it.
Yes.
I bet.
Moving around a lot to get what we can for the families. You know, you're down meat, so we got you a lot of meat.
Thank
We
you
got you
so
chicken,
much.
of course, notorious toilet paper.
How awesome. Say hi. Say thank you.
Or you like Paw Patrol?
Sure.
You like that?
Yeah. Oh, thanks.
Look at this coloring book we got you.
Holy crap.
We have something else really fun for you.
Alright.
We got you the newest Kindle,
Do what?
Fire HD. It's gigantic.
I've been in more fights at the stores than I've ever been with anybody. We're up there at Jamboree, and that was the place they had teepee.
Okay.
She walked up to me and called me a B word and slapped me for no reason over a stupid creamer. And then she almost got knocked down over sugar.
Anyone has some crazy stories about what's going on? Comment, because I feel like we have a lot out there. So let's see those in the comments for sure.
We ran into a financial crisis this time.
Yeah.
Serious.
Wow.
Our rent went sky high. I haven't been able to pay our other bills. My car's just sitting out there waiting to be repoed because I couldn't make a payment. I mean, we're stretched very thin. My Social Security went down to $50.
We have one more thing for you.
Don't make me cry again.
And that is, we have $500 that we want to give to you.
Oh my God. What are you guys trying to do to me?
And we just want to take care of you any way we can. So whatever you need, you use this on.
I'm sorry.
You make us cry.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay, dear.
Oh, it's like I won a lottery.
It's okay.
I appreciate it so much. God, this is gonna help us out so much.
Glad we were able to help her. I think that's going to go a long ways for them during this time. So
Oh, especially with all the bills they had.
Yeah.
it's tough. That was hard because there was a lot of finances going around. She was talking about possibly losing, their house, their roof, their car. Thank you for coming out with Voyager today. It was amazing. But this isn't where it ends. We need you. We went out to help some families, but there's so many more. For us to keep going, for us to keep being able to help people in dire need right now, we need the donations that go all to the family. Voyager's spending a lot of money right now, but it can only go so far without you.
100% of everything that you give goes straight back to these families. We're not keeping a dime. We're not doing this to try to make money. We're doing this to try to help people in these dire times.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with us. We have some big, exciting new plans to help these families, help kids with disabilities, immunocompromised. So subscribe to us, watch us. It's going to be fantastic. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Now that we've helped out our families, we're gonna hit the streets of downtown Colorado Springs to start handing out the most valuable item in this town, toilet paper.
White gold.
They're out of hamburgers, eggs, bread, everything.
There you go.
You can't find it anywhere. Yeah, that's
why we're getting toilet paper? There you go.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Oh yeah, great, thanks.
I'm definitely not turning that down.
There you go. Get some Swiss bars. Need more? Need the toilet paper? So let's keep seeing anyone who needs it.
Okay.
Do you need toilet paper?
Couple Cliff Bar?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
There you go.
Helping out.
Springs, tonight in Queens, Fine Springs, Colorado Springs, as I go conquering, dividing, fighting.
Salad and buying read it.
Some what? Thank you. Yes.
You're welcome. Thank you.